is the most important part of qualifying for an interest rate? Believe it or not, it's your credit score. So if you are getting ready to buy a home, but your credit is not exactly where you want it to be, today we're going to talk about what you can do to improve your credit score to get ready to qualify for a home and get the best interest rate that you possibly can. Hi everyone, I'm Leslie. I'm a realtor in Long Beach, California, and I work with Nationwide Real Estate in Long Beach. And today we're going to talk a little bit about what I do for my clients when they are not exactly at the ideal position as far as their credit goes. So if you have a credit score that's in the 500s or 600s, you will likely need to take advantage of some credit improvement programs to get you to where you can actually qualify for the best interest rate that you possibly can. So in order to do that, you're going to get in touch with a lender that offers credit repair programs. So I have a lender that I work with frequently for buyers whose credit score is in the 5s or 600s and they're trying to move it up to a 700 range. So we will have the lender run the credit, figure out where you're at, and then figure out what things need to be paid off, what different debts that you have, what's your debt to income ratio, what things are actually affecting your credit the most, and how we can start chipping away at those things so that we can get your credit to be improved, and they'll give us a timeline of how long that's going to take as well. Sometimes it's just that people don't have enough credit for a lender to go off of, so it's a matter of opening up a new credit card and then keeping the balance low, making your payments every month for like 6 months. So in order to actually diagnose what the problem is with your credit, the lender will take a look at what it is, create a plan for you, and then work with you to make sure that everything is being followed, and that if you have any questions, they can answer it for you to get you to the point where you have the credit that you need to get the interest rate that you can afford your home at. It's you and you are ready to buy a home, but you're not comfortable with where your credit is, or maybe you've gotten pre-approved, but the interest rate was too high. You have options to be able to move forward. I would recommend reaching out to a lender. If you're in Orange County or LA County, you can reach out to me through YouTube, or you can email me. My email is in one of the links on my YouTube page, and then I can get you connected with the lender that I mentioned earlier. If you're out of state, find your realtor or find your lender in your local area that offers credit repair programs. There's a lot of lenders that offer services like this, and that's the most helpful, straightforward way that I've found to help people move to being able to afford a home quicker. I would recommend, if you are 6 months to a year out from wanting to buy a home, that you get this process started now. Get the pre-approval process started so you can see where you're at, whether you need to repair your credit or not. It's going to give you a more whole picture view of what you need to do to best prepare yourself to be able to afford your down payment and your monthly payments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.